Who is the chairman of the Planning Commission in India? Prime Minister of India. When was the Right to Information Act came into force? 12 October 2005. In how many states of India a political party must be recognized as a state party to become a national party? 4. Who has the power to issue writs in India? Supreme Court and High Court. When was national emergency declared for the first time in India? 1962. What is the difference between the total income and its total expenditure of the government in a financial year called? Fiscal deficit. Which is the highest forum of discussion and debate in India? Parliament. Who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? Sukumar Sen. To contest the election to the office of President, the candidate must be eligible to be a member of the Dash. Lok Sabha. Who is the first citizen of India? President. The President of India can be impeached by Parliament. When was the first session of the first Lok Sabha commenced? 13 May 1952. How many functions of panchayats are there in the 11th schedule of the Constitution of India? 29. How many parts were there in the Indian Constitution initially? 22. What is the minimum age required to become a member of Lok Sabha? 25 years. Which article in the Constitution states that India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states? Article 1. The original Constitution of India was handwritten by whom? Prem Bihari Narayan Raizada. What is the term of office of the Public Accounts Committee members? One year. Who acts as the Chancellor of State Universities? Governor. Money bills can be introduced dash. Only in Lok Sabha. How many members from Lok Sabha are there in Estimates Committee? 30. Which type of economy exists in India? Mixed. Who was the first woman Speaker of Lok Sabha? Meera Kumar. A bill passed by both houses of the parliament becomes an act only if it receives the assent of President. When was the first amendment of the Constitution of India made? 1951.